so we went to Trader Joe's, and I'm just going to show right quick what Mama got. She got the Synergy strawberry lemonade, some ground turkey, some of this trail mix. I think it has nut berry mix, the cut ridge potato chips. I don't know, salt and pepper. I don't know if are we gonna share that? I probably should have got some bacon cheddar ranch dip. I guess that's a no. Some maple brown sugar, the instant oatmeal. You want that in your bag? Let's see. We got some of the apple cider donuts and the Italian tomato paste. Let's see, the chili lime seasoning. This is good. Mama said on that if you make Mexican corn. The onion salt. Some coconut body butter, Trader Joe's. The Kung Pao chicken. Well, I might should have got some of that. How much was that? $5.99, $6.99? $4.99. $4.99. I don't know. We'll be back though. There's some other things.
Same price as
$4.99. The mandarin orange chicken. We picked up some of this. I got 2 bags. I'll show you guys my haul. We're in the parking lot, y'all. I guess you already know that. Some brown rice. I didn't get this, but I might get it next time. Mama said that's good. We got, I guess I can help you, Mama. The zucchini spinach. No, not spinach. Zucchini spirals. I think this is $3.99. Oh, Mama got some hash browns. Some shredded hash browns. Some almond beverage, almond milk. Is that in that bag?
I believe that's it.
I like that bag. Oh, that's it? That's it.
Somebody lives by themselves.
Oh. So that's for a person. What, groceries for one person?
Yeah, when you shopping.
Shopping for yourself. So Mama spent $50 some. That's not bad at all. 56 and some change. So we'll definitely be back. Our closest Trader Joe's is in Cary. They do have an Aldi down the strip that just opened up the other day. They have tons of pumpkins out here, but I'll show you guys my haul. Hello hopefuls, and I hope you all are doing great today. I actually have a Trader Joe's haul. So I have been in Trader Joe's, I think twice, and every time I usually go in there, I already have grocery shopped, and I just go with Mama. And like today, she texted and she said she wanted to go to a different grocery store than we normally go to. So she was thinking, she said Myers, but I was thinking we did have a Myers, maybe one in Raleigh, but I know we have a Wayman's now, and I know with Instacart, they have been saying in the Facebook group that it's just crazy and they refuse to go in there, and it was the weekend too. So I was like, well, maybe we'll go to Wayman's on a weekday and then we'll go to Trader Joe's, because I was like, I want to go to Trader Joe's. But there were some things that I knew that were good items to get, or I heard people rave about, but there were some things that we were still kind of lost. So I guess I felt like how people feel when they go in Aldi, just totally lost, don't know what's good or what to do or what to get. So even though I've been in there twice before, just browsing. So let me share with you what I got. I spent $45. Not bad, but not a whole lot of stuff for that. And then I did a separate order where I spent $20 on this stuff, so I'll share what I got. So I did get some ground turkey. I was eyeing the chicken sausage. So you guys also let me know down in the comments, is there something that you absolutely love that is really good that I should try at Trader Joe's? I was looking for the turkey brawn, but they have not put that out yet, because I had a client one time when I used to do home health when I was a CNA, and she had some turkey brawn and it looked like it was so good looking at the ingredients, but they don't have that out yet. So I asked the cashier and she said she's not sure when they'll get it. So just let me know, what is your staples, what do you love at Trader Joe's, and I will love to try it because I do want to go back. So we picked up the ground turkey. I can't remember how much it was. I want to say like $2 something. It's like a pound. And then I wanted to try this bacon cheddar ranch dip. I did see this in someone's haul. And then I did want to try the everything but the bagel yogurt dip. But then I was like, I already have yogurt at home and I already have the seasoning at home, so I can do it myself. Okay, JJ's cooking a pizza. It's Saturday. I have heard a lot of people talk about the mashed potato balls or the mashed potatoes. They're in the little ball. So I wanted to try these. And then also, Weight Watchers, some people said that it was some cheese that was really good, but I did not see the cheese unless they changed the packaging. So I only saw the light shredded 3 cheese blend. This was like $3.99, which I thought was a lot. And then it was also a light Mexican cheese, but I did not see like a regular sharp, so I have to go and review their video again. As well, the apple cider donuts, these are more cake like. Well, that's the other ones that all they are cake like. These are $3.99. I wanted to try these. And then Mama pointed out the Italian tomato paste, so I wanted to have this on hand, so you know, if I needed it for spaghetti, or sometimes you just need to sauce something up. And then I did pick up the Synergy organic kombucha, and this is the strawberry lemonade, and the cashier said this one was really good, so I think it was $2.99, so I wanted to try that. Then of course I wanted to get some of their seasonings that I heard a lot of people rave about, and then Mama said the chili lime seasoning is really good, especially when you make the Mexican cheese. And I will also attach Mama's haul either before or after my haul to share with you guys what she picked up. We picked up about the same stuff. Normally we don't, but some things are different. The 21 seasoning salute, I wanted to try this, and then the onion salt. And then I did next time want to get maybe the basil leaves. It was something else, y'all. I think it was a mushroom and something other seasoning. I want to try that. I did pick up the zucchini spirals. This was $3.99. And then the mandarin orange chicken. I heard a lot of people talk about that. I know my family loves orange chicken, so I ended up picking up 2 bags. These are $4.99. Yeah, $4.99. I picked up 2 bags because one is not enough. And then I picked up the vegetable fried rice. I probably should have picked up 2 of these. And I don't remember, y'all, how much this was. I think it was like $2.49 or something like that, or $1.99. Then I got the chicken fried rice. And is that everything? That's everything with that haul. Okay, so Mama was on her coffee aisle, or she left me, and so I was looking, or I probably was just stalling, and I was looking, and I noticed a lot of people was like gravitating, or they were getting their little health and beauty stuff, and they were just snatching it off of the shelves. And Mama and I also noticed when we went in Trader Joe's, seemed like everybody's in a rush. I don't know if it's just that one or it's because they know what they're getting, so that might be what that is. So they were just grabbing this stuff like I had to get it. So I did see a lady, she picked up the oatmeal exfoliate bar, and I think this was $2.99. Yeah, this was $2.99. It smelled really good. It was another lady, she grabbed the honey and oatmeal. I think it was honey and oatmeal bar, and you get 2 in a pack for $1.99 or $1.49. I did have that in my cart, and then I put it back, but I may try that next time. And then also the coconut body butter. It just sounds like it is so good. This was $5.99. No, I'm sorry, $5.49. And I wanted to try this. They also have a vanilla and something, y'all. I don't remember. Is it vanilla and coconut? It's vanilla and something body butter as well, the same price. Then I picked up the lavender sea salt scrub, and Mama was mentioning that this has like an oil in it. This is $5.99, and I was talking about my legs and my feet, and they just look so rough because I haven't had a pedicure, sorry y'all, in a minute. And she was like, sometimes you just need to maybe get the sugar scrub. She went to Marshall's not too long ago, and they had like a sugar scrub, and she said, you know, to get all that dead skin off. So because I was just saying my feet was starting and legs were starting to look aged, look old, and she was like, you just need to probably get the dead skin off and stuff. So anyway, I picked this up for whatever, not just my legs and my feet, but elbows, skin, and everything. And then lastly, this was $3.99, the lemongrass coconut body oil. It just sounded like it was really good, and because it was cheaper than everything else, just about, I grabbed it with almond and Java oils. This is gentle, light, and aromatic, and it moisturizes skin without being greasy, and no animal testing. Jojoba oil. So the first ingredient is not water, so that is really good. And then it has like a pump there, so I can't wait to use these when I take a shower tonight. And that's all I picked up from Trader Joe's. I did pick up 2 things from Marshall's. Let me share with you. So I normally tell you guys where we all went today, but I forgot. So yeah, we ended up going to Trader Joe's, and then we were like, we forgot our insulated bag, but Mama had an insulated bag. We did end up going to, what was it, Michael's. Yeah, I went in Michael's, so let me show you what I got. I didn't get much, and then because I knew what I needed out of there. And what else did I get? I ran into Ulta because I just want to do better with my makeup routine, and my first love, y'all, is hair and beauty, because I went to cosmetology school and stuff like that. But I think I stayed home for so long, and I think I just overdid it with the hair that I just got burnt out, and I kind of had a bad experience. So then I got burnt out, and we went to a beauty supply store we have new in our area yesterday, and it was so nice. They had all these wig pieces and stuff, and I told him I would be back. I would be back. So I went in Ulta because they had some products, the NYX makeup products, and I wanted to see if they had it in Ulta, so I can try more of them, because I knew Ulta had more choices. So I ran in Ulta while Mama went into Marshall's, and then I caught up with her, and then she saw this charger. It's not a charger, but it's like a tray, but it has the feet on it, and I can replace my little area over here that I have my cutting board on, and I can put some decor on here, or I can put like my salt and pepper, oil and vinegar on here. This was $9.99 at Marshall's. And then, of course, because we went in Marshall's and we were talking about the scrub, the sugar scrub, I was looking for the sugar scrub, but they did not have it. And so they did have other scrubs. This one doesn't have, like, let me take the top off. It's by Relax, and it's a body scrub, coconut and hemp. So, and this was $5.99. So let's see. Yeah. So let me not do that before I make a disaster of it. So it's like real grainy, but she said hers was mixed with oil, kind of like this one. So this one smelled really good. They had other ones that were mixed with coffee, but I didn't want that one. I didn't get that one. And then lastly, for Michael's, I needed a new punch. I needed one really bad because I made some printables that were compatible to the Happy Planner size, and I couldn't show you guys what it looked like in the Happy Planner because my punch was broken. So my punch was broken, and I broke it because I was trying to punch laminated paper, and you cannot punch laminated paper with this, and I've done it before, and then I was able to fix it or to get it unstuck, and then I just ruined it, and I was like, oh, we just wasted it. So I did, all the planner stuff was 30% off today, but I used a competitor 20% off, but actually she hit with Joanne, so she hit 25, so I'm not complaining. They had so many pretty, I should have vlogged today, y'all, so many pretty Christmas items. It looked like they just stocked everything because it was like max to the T, or people just know to wait with Michael's until they mark it down to, you know, 50, 60, 70% off or whatever. But so many pretty items. And then I did pick up the Happy Planner. I have seen this, but I forgot about it. I was hoping to find the Recollection Spiral Planner, but I knew I dragged my feet with that because you have to be quick with certain things. This is the Christmas extension pack. I did get the one on last year, but this one is a little different. And so because I missed out on that Recollections spiral planner, I wasn't, you know, I just said I'd go ahead and buy this. So I did pick this up and got 55% off, I guess. 55% off, and then I grabbed Mama one as well. So that's it, y'all, that I picked up today at Trader Joe's. I think after that we went to Chick-fil-A. I got a spicy chicken and the mac and cheese. I should have got a salad, but I didn't finish the mac and cheese. But anyway, I hope you guys had a great Saturday. Let me know again, y'all. Please let me know what y'all like at Trader Joe's, because sister don't know about Trader Joe's. I'm new to Trader Joe's. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.